Hello, welcome to the Block Party Trading Analysis. Today we're looking at KLAY USDT perp on MEXC on the 6 hour, it's actually on BitGet, I should say, on the 6 hour, and looking at some significant movement that has instigated a trade setup. So what we're looking for, first of all, is we have a bearish signal just here from our indicator. This will trigger a good, reliable place to buy, but we also want to do some further technical analysis to make sure that we're happy with the entry. We can see there is quite a significant range just going on here. Whilst it has been more recent since the 19th of April, we can see that it was kind of in play just here as well, with a touch here, touch there, and touch there. But it's been more significant recently. So we've been waiting for it to break down or up to see how it goes. We had a couple of rejections from the 20 daily exponential moving average, both here and here, after breaking it again here. Again, the exponential moving averages, certainly on the daily with the 20, 15, 200, do act as very strong resistances or supports. Like I said, this is a very, very key support. Dating all the way back, we do have further data going back in this chart, but we don't need to go back that far, to be honest, to confirm this, as we're not going for a fantastically massive target here. But it does date back to the 27th of March, where we saw this support start, and this sits around about 2164 region, which is why we use the parallel channels here, so we can give a bit of breadth to it and not be so acute with where our support and resistance lines are going to be drawn. So yes, we do see a significant breakdown on the actual market structure. Please be aware that there is an untested weekly pivot, although it has been tested slightly. I'm not sure if that would constitute, but just be aware of that one. The other things to be aware of as well is that we are oversold right now on the CVD, but if you look at most kind of oscillators right now, whether it's the stochastic, awesome oscillator, or RSI, it'll probably be oversold as well. So again, just be aware of that. We might see a bit of a retrace as signified on the chart just here. We're going to go for the quintessential one-to-one with giving us a nice healthy 13 and almost 14% stop loss here, which is pretty much to the top of the range. We don't need to go too far beyond that, I feel, because we have quite a lot of stuff to get through, not only now that this is resistance, we've got the 20 daily exponential moving average as resistance as well. And we can also, I haven't drawn it on yet, but there's not much need to, because it's not instigating the actual trade setup, but it will act as a resistance to aid with the stop loss. So over time, you can actually bring the stop loss down in graduation in relative to this trend line, for example, if you want to, or you can just leave it, as I'm pretty confident this will head on down. Then lastly as well, using our oscillator, we see a breakthrough on the trend line and also on the support. You can retrofit things like the RSI or the awesome oscillator here. Not so much the stochastic, but it's more to give a relative idea of what the price is doing. So this 9 times out of 10 will match up with this, but also it does help with giving divergences. Hope that helps. Hope you enter and hope this trade comes through. Thanks for watching.